Hello guys, and welcome back to another video here today at the Startup Brain TV, the platform to help you bustle and create wealth for yourself. So if you're new to my channel is all about business, entrepreneurship, and making money online. So if you're interested in all that type of content, be sure to hit the red subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit the bell notification button so you don't miss out on my videos when they do come out. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 4 passive income ideas that you can start with less than $100, and some of them you can actually start free of charge. Okay, so without any time wasting, let's get right into the video. The first passive income stream you can start with little or no money whatsoever is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is still one of the easiest ways to start an online business, and one of the best ways to start an online business, hands down, because first of all, you don't have to worry about going through the stress of creating your own business. All you want to do is find a few vendors or merchants within your niche, register for their affiliate programs, which is usually most likely free of charge. I wouldn't go for any merchants that are charging you to become an affiliate. It doesn't make any sense, right? Start promoting your link, send it out to your friends, your family, of course in a non-spammy way. Promote it to your audience, be it on YouTube, on Instagram, social media, and then when a customer buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's as simple as that. So you're basically just making money from sending your link or promoting your link or sending people to click your link and purchase products that you don't personally sell. Your job is really just to refer people to those brands, and when those people purchase from those brands, you make money. A lot of YouTubers are doing this, and beauty influencers are doing this, hair influencers are doing this. When those influencers send you to those brands, they're getting a commission, okay? They're getting paid for all those referrals, okay? And on top of that, a lot of these influencers already get paid anyway prior to promoting this product, so they're getting additional income for every single sale. So becoming an affiliate is a very, very quick way to start a passive income, okay? Because you're basically you can create content once and then make money out of that content indefinitely. So say for example, you're doing affiliate marketing and you have a blog where you promote different brands, you have the different affiliate links within your blog, you create content once, you sit back, and then people who visit your blog are most likely going to click on those links because they trust you as a business, right? Or as a brand. So say for example, you know, you were a fashion influencer and then you came across my brand Fashby, for example. I do have an affiliate program, by the way. So if you're someone out there who's interested in selling clothes, join the Fashby affiliate program. I offer a 15% discount for every sale that is referred through your link. It's an amazing commission in comparison to a lot of big brands out there. Most brands usually offer something less than 10% commissions per sale, okay? So say you were interested in selling clothes, for example, then what you want to do is come to Fashby, register for my affiliate program. Once you register, you gain access to your own unique referral link and access to a dashboard where you can actually track the number of sales coming through your link. As you can log in and see how your links are performing, you can see how much money you're making. So it's not going to be some sort of, you know, scam where you sign up and you're not making any money and there's no way of tracking. You actually gain access to a whole dashboard. So if you're going to be signing up for any affiliate programs, I highly recommend that you sign up for affiliate programs that grant you access to a back office dashboard where you can log in and see how your links are performing as well. So if you're interested in selling products online or promoting services, it could be digital products. You can check ClickBank, for example. ClickBank is perfect for digital products. Amazon have an affiliate program as well, which I usually do not recommend because the commission rates are very, very low. So unless you're selling super expensive products like, you know, say laptops, cameras, expensive products, I don't think you get any big results using the Amazon affiliate program, okay? So really up to you what options you want to go for. If you're more into promoting physical products, Amazon affiliate works best, but I usually recommend you go for the more expensive ones because that's the only way you make a better buck on your investment. If you're into digital products, software, ebooks, e-courses, membership sites, you can check out clickbank.com. It has a lot of vendors there and you can sign up for free and start making you some money. The Income Rip Academy also have an affiliate program. If you're interested in selling online courses or promoting online courses, say for example you have a YouTube channel where you talk about, I don't know, starting an online boutique, you can join the Income Rip Academy, promote their online boutique course, and then when anybody comes to the website and purchases that course, you make a 20% commission, which is amazing. So you know, if you're someone out there who already creates content, be it, you know, if you're a social media influencer, a YouTuber, or you have some sort of audience out there, you can definitely look into affiliate marketing. Find a few brands that are relevant to your niche, register for their affiliate program and start promoting their products and making yourself extra money passively. And you can start this for free as well, or I always recommend you get yourself a blog or some sort of platform, a YouTube channel. If you're video shy, just get yourself a blog and start creating content around the products you want to promote, okay? And of course, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, check out the Income Reap Academy for an amazing course that teaches you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. Another passive income stream you can start with less than $100 is to create your own ebooks or digital products. Now, gone are the days where you needed to go through some publishing company to publish your book. You probably had to wait in the queue for ages in order to be approved, which was usually a very slim chance of getting approved by a publishing company. Thanks to Amazon KDP, you can literally sit down in the comfort of your own home, write a book, dedicate a few weeks or months to write a book, get that book uploaded on Amazon, and let Amazon deal with the rest. They deal with the processing, they ship out the books to customers, and you keep your percentage commission. This is a strategy that still works for me right now. I've published several books on Amazon right now that are generating me revenue every single day passively. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to ship any products. Amazon deals with the fulfillment. Now, if you don't want to use Amazon, you can always create your own content and even sell it on your own website. So you can write an ebook, a digital product, or any type of information that can be accessed and downloaded instantly, okay? So this works well with ebooks as well, because people can actually buy these ebooks and download these ebooks instantly. I make a lot of sales selling digital products all the time. I wake up every morning and I get all the notification of all the payments that were made whilst I was in my bed sleeping and having sweet dreams. So that's the amazing thing about passive income, is the fact that you don't have to be actively present to make money as you would in a normal 9-to-5 job or in a conventional traditional type business, where if you're closed for business, you're not making any sales, okay? So passive income, it's really great in the sense that you can make money whilst you sleep, whilst you spend time with your family and friends and go about your day-to-day life, okay? So writing ebooks or selling digital products, this could be online courses, for example, or it could be a guide on how to lose weight, for example, or some sort of guide that is useful and is of great value to people. So just try and make sure that is something that solves a problem. Whatever ebooks you want to write or digital information products you're selling is something that can help people save costs, solve their problems. It's usually best to actually go for information products that are based on your experience. So for example, I wrote the Online Boutique CEO book. There's an ebook version available as well. It's based on my experience running my own boutique. It's not based on Google information, as you would find, some people selling Google information. It's actually based on my own unique experience. I share all of that in my books. So always go think about your experiences. What skills do you have that you feel others could benefit from? Think about how you can put all that information together, package it in a nice way, and sell it to people. They can go on the internet, purchase that product, pay for that product, and download that product instantly or access that course instantly. So there's so much you can make money from. You don't have to invest thousands of dollars or thousands of pounds, but you're gonna have to invest your time initially, okay? I'm not saying it's going to be free or easy, but it's definitely going to be worth it, okay? Another passive income stream you can start with less than $100 is to look into dropshipping t-shirts or merch. Now, this is something I talked about in one of my videos. I'm not gonna give you guys a whole course on how to start dropshipping, because I'm sure you've watched some of my videos. If you haven't, check out my previous videos. I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel where I talk about dropshipping. I'll link the video down below on starting the t-shirt company dropshipping. So this means that you don't have to hold any inventory whatsoever. Come up with some designs, come up with some slogans that you want on your t-shirt, send them to a company such as Printful, which is what I personally use, to get them to slap all those designs or slogans into the t-shirts, hoodies, or whatever you want to sell. Every time a customer buys from you, Printful fulfills and ships out the order directly to your customer. You don't have to invest a single dime. It's free to sign up with Printful. However, I always recommend you invest in your own website or your own platform. You're probably going to have to invest in some marketing strategies, but when it comes to actually starting the business, there's really no investment required unless you plan to hire graphic designers to create your designs for you. But if you can do it yourself, then it's going to be free to start, right? So look into dropshipping merch. It could be t-shirts, mugs, travel accessories, literally anything out there that you can have a slogan that's unique to you, or your own graphics that you can design and put onto the merch, okay? Another passive income stream you can start for less than $100 is to look into selling on Etsy. I feel like Etsy is one of those platforms that a lot of people don't talk about that much, but there's a lot of potential on Etsy. Etsy now allows you to sell digital products as well, so you can sell things like printables. People are actually making a killing from selling, you know, the most basic things out there. There's actually a picture that still irks me to today. It's actually an image of, you know, two O's. If I find it, I'll put it up here somewhere or screen share it with you guys. And it's getting a lot of sales. It's like me just going out there drawing a dot or something like that, and then charging people to pay and download that dot and then print it out for their own use. It's like, it's crazy, you know, how much people are willing to spend for some really basic things or things that you personally take for granted. So really think about what you're good at. You know, if you're good at custom making things, get on Etsy, start custom making things on Etsy. Again, it's free to sign up on Etsy. It works well if you're custom making things. You know, if you're doing sort of handmade, unique stuff, don't go there and start selling general merch that is everywhere else on the internet. Usually, Etsy will only allow you to sell products that you've actually made yourself, or you personally know who has designed that product. There's so many things you can sell on Etsy. You can sell spreadsheets, budget expense spreadsheets, so many things, anything that you can custom make. I always recommend go for digital products, because when people buy on Etsy, they can just download the products. You don't have to go through the process of shipping it out to them, okay? So guys, here are my 4 passive income streams you can start for less than $100, okay? Of course, if you want to learn more about starting any of these businesses, you can always check out the Income Rip Academy. You can get started with most of the courses there that go more in depth and teach you how to get started. Alternatively, you can check out my book, The 21-Day Boss. It's available on Amazon in most platforms right now. It talks a lot about passive income, how to get started with passive income, how to make your money work for you and create yourself some wealth, okay? I'm also going to leave a link below to my actual website, where if you sign up, you can get free access to the first few pages of the book. So if you want to read the first few pages of the book, I'll leave a link below. Subscribe to the website and you gain instant access to the first few pages of the book. And if you feel it's something you want to try out, you can then head over and purchase either the ebook version or the paperback version, okay? So I hope you guys found this video useful. Give it a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell notification button so you don't miss out on my videos when they do come out, because YouTube is becoming rather shady and hiding my videos from my subscribers. So if you don't have that bell notification clicked, then you're probably not going to be seeing my face very frequently. So if you want to see more of this face, then hit that bell notification button, and I look forward to catching up with you guys in my next video. Bye for now.